नमस्ते।
हेलो, वेलकम। मुझे यकीन है कि आपने अब तक के लेसन्स की लगातार रिवीजन कर रहे हैं और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इंग्लिश में बात करने की कोशिश। चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। सेंटेंस पावर जो आपने 2 दिन पहले VCT 13 में किया था, उसी को हम अगले लेवल पर ले जा चुके हैं और कुछ और एक्सरसाइजेस करते हैं। तो आज के इस मज़ेदार सवाल जवाब के लिए तैयार हो जाइए।
Today, we will revise the usage of similar sounding words, verbs, adjectives, and usage of correct words in sentence construction. English language is thriving today because it absorbs new words from other languages easily. Modern spoken English is very different from the style we read in classical literature. The sentences are shorter and simpler these days. The language has evolved, meaning it has changed according to time. Believe me, it will compel you to think about all your past lessons. You will jump with joy when you know the answers, but sometimes you might need to stop and think over the options as they can be confusing. But don't worry, in the end, you will be very thorough with your grammar and sentence construction. All the best.
तो आज की एक्सरसाइज शुरू करें। आज की सबसे पहली एक्सरसाइज है 2 शब्द गुड और वेल के बारे में। आपको इन दोनों में से कोई भी एक सही चुनकर वाक्य में उपयोग करना है।
Our first exercise today is about choosing between good and well. Which is the correct word in the sentence? When someone asks, "How is your health?" you can reply, "I am well." This is usually correct. "I am good." This is a modern usage. This too is correct.
इस एक्सरसाइज में जब आप well इस्तेमाल करना चाहें तो ध्यान रखें कि ये शब्द आमतौर पर वाक्य के अंत में आता है। जैसे she cooks well। जब आपको good इस्तेमाल करना है तब ये संज्ञा यानी नाउन के पहले आता है। She is a good cook। सिर्फ कुछ ही वाक्यों में good अंत में आता है, जैसे ये The weekend did me a lot of good.
So, use your judgment and select the right answer. In any case, the correct answer will appear after 5 seconds of each question.
That was a lesson. Good, well.
The correct answer is good.
The mangoes smell good, well.
The mangoes smell good.
Construction is going on good, well.
The correct answer here is the construction is going on well.
It sounds to me good, well.
It sounds good to me.
That coat looks on you good, well.
That coat looks good on you.
She speaks English good, well.
The correct answer is she speaks English well. If you wanted to use the word good in the same sentence, it would have been she speaks good English.
The holiday did not go off good, well.
The holiday did not go off well.
I don't have a feeling about this good, well.
I don't have a good feeling about this.
She speaks Bengali good, well.
Here, the correct answer is she speaks good Bengali. Just like the earlier example, if you want to use well in this sentence, it would be she speaks Bengali well.
हमारा आखिरी प्रश्न है She gave me some advice good, well.
she gave me some good advice. Did you notice that the adjective good comes before the noun it describes? Just like you used good English and good Bengali earlier, good advice. That is the right answer.
इस एक्सरसाइज में आपको fewer और lesser इन दो शब्दों में किसी भी एक का इस्तेमाल करना है जिससे कि सेंटेंस कंप्लीट हो जाए और सही भी.
Choose between fewer and lesser and complete the sentence. Just to help you understand the difference, remember that less denotes number and a quantity. Use fewer for a number of things. Use fewer when the word after is plural. Use less when it is singular.
There were students at the college last year. Fewer, less.
Students is plural. So the correct answer is there were fewer students at the college last year. Fewer is correct.
The next sentence is, I enjoyed his new film than his last one. Fewer, less.
I enjoyed his new film less than his last one because film is singular.
I need to spend money on stupid things. Fewer, less.
I need to spend less money on stupid things. Money here is taken as a single unit.
I've been there times than I should. Fewer, less.
I've been there fewer times than I should. Times is plural.
I spent time on first question than the second. Fewer, less.
I spent less time on the first question than the second. Time is taken as one unit, just like money.
चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. अगला वाक्य है It was difficult than I thought it would be. Fewer, less.
It was less difficult than I thought it would be. Less is the correct answer.
I made mistakes this time. Fewer, less.
I made fewer mistakes this time.
This project is complicated than the last one. Fewer, less.
The correct answer? This project is less complicated than the last one.
There were complications this time. Fewer, less.
There were fewer complications this time.
And finally, I'd buy it if it were expensive. Fewer, less.
I'd buy it if it were